Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about something really important that affects many of us: strokes. A recent study has pinpointed two eating habits that might be driving the rise in strokes: consuming fizzy drinks and a diet low in omega-6 fats. Now, strokes are a major health concern. They happen when the blood supply to the brain gets cut off, which can lead to serious long-term disabilities and even death. The number of strokes has gone up by a staggering 70% between 1990 and 2021. That's huge. Fatal strokes have increased by 44% in the same period. The study, published in the Lancet Neurology, found that consuming fizzy drinks and not getting enough omega-6 fats were among 23 factors responsible for 8 out of 10 stroke cases. Other factors include air pollution, high blood pressure, smoking, a sedentary lifestyle, and high cholesterol. Omega-6 fats are super important for heart and circulatory health. You can find them in vegetable oils, nuts, and seeds. However, many of us are not getting enough of these fats because our diets are often high in ultra-processed foods. A diet low in omega-6 has been linked to a 5% increase in stroke risk. On the other hand, fizzy drinks have long been linked to cardiovascular diseases. This study just adds more weight to the argument against consuming sugary drinks regularly. High BMI, or body mass index, also accounted for an 88% increase in stroke risk, another reason to maintain a healthy weight. Dr. Catherine Johnson, a co-author of the study and expert in cardiovascular disease, emphasized the importance of lifestyle changes to tackle this issue. With 84% of the stroke burden linked to modifiable risk factors, there are tremendous opportunities to reduce stroke risk for future generations. Interestingly, the study also highlighted how significant air pollution is as a risk factor. Particulate matter air pollution contributed to 14% of stroke-related death and disability. That's on par with smoking. Hemorrhagic strokes, which involve bleeding in the brain, are particularly deadly. They accounted for half of all the stroke-related disabilities and deaths globally in 2021, despite being less common than ischemic strokes. The good news is that progress has been made in reducing stroke risks from certain areas like processed meat and low vegetable diets, as well as smoking and air pollution. So, what can you do to reduce your risk? Cut down on fizzy drinks, incorporate more omega-6 fats into your diet, maintain a healthy weight, and try to avoid exposure to air pollution as much as possible. Small changes can make a big difference. Thanks for watching and take care of your health.